What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Out of This World, where everything's out of this world. Today we have a unpacking video, I guess. So my brother finally bought something again for the Supra after like a year, but he just bought it. It's nothing huge, but it's something for you guys. So I want to share this with you guys, and we got a lot. We got a few things going on. Some things that other people don't even know about that I just randomly did because sometimes you just gotta do it. So watch the video, let's have some fun, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down on the video. I want to hear from you guys. Alright, Steven, what are we doing?
Heat gun. I'm gonna heat up all this and then get
The box cut is right there.
heat it up, and then we'll be able to cut it off, just the inside part, and then 3M and tape it all the way across it. Show fair. Right on.
So what'd you do, Steven?
We cut the whole top of it off, the whole top lip part. It's all bumpy now, but we're gonna Dremel it, and then it's gonna be smooth. Dremel time.
Alright, so we just took out the front lip, the original one. We broke it, but that's okay because it was all warped and messed up anyways. It has these metal bars under the bumper, and it's all connected with 10 millimeters, and I think on the side we're 8 millimeters. So right now we're just gonna test fit the MK4 lip, and hopefully it fits. It didn't fit before because it has these things right here going under the bumper, which the original lip was blocking. So hopefully we're gonna test fit it now and see how it looks. Alright, so surprisingly this MK4 lip fits pretty good on the MK3. What do you guys think? Look. It looks pretty decent. Look, the little grill goes with the bumper like that, the lines. It looks pretty good. Tell me what you guys think.